Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and today I'll be taking you through our ABCDE Worksheet based on the principles of cognitive behavioral therapy. The ABCDE model is based upon the principle that thinking, feeling, and behaving are all interwoven, and that solving a client's cognitive distortions will in turn help them to achieve their behavioral or emotional goals. We designed this ABCDE CBT Worksheet to make it easy for your clients to target their own cognitive distortions and achieve their therapeutic goals. ABCDE stands for Activating Event, Beliefs, Consequences, Disputation, and Exchange. Let's go into each of these in a bit more detail now. The activating event is the situation that triggered the negative thoughts or emotions. Beliefs are the thoughts your client had at the time due to their emotional response to the activating event. The consequences are the physical and emotional response they had at the time. The disputation is where your client will challenge the most distressing of the thoughts recalled in the belief section. And finally, the exchange is the replacing of the old maladaptive thoughts with new effective thoughts. This worksheet is a great tool to help your client work through the ABCDE model. It includes some helpful prompts, questions, and subheadings to help them get the most out of this exercise. To see how this worksheet can benefit your clients, just take a look at our ABCDE CBT example worksheet. Feel free to pause to read in more detail. To find this worksheet in Carepatron, simply head to Templates from the menu on the left-hand side. Then ensure you're filtering by Community Templates to see Carepatron's full library of resources. You can then search by keyword ABCDE. Hover over the result and click Choose Template. Then select your client from the client list. And now the worksheet template has been loaded into your Carepatron draft tab. It can be filled in from this draft tab just by clicking under the heading or subheading you want to use and starting to type. When it's finished, just click Publish.